Welcome to 40 Alexandra Road, located within the ever popular area of Preston in Kersley, Stoneclough. Lovely quiet street, close to many local amenities, and of course the fantastic Preston Primary School. Property I've got for you today has been completely renovated throughout. Back to the bricks, rewired. The rendering we can see up there is insulated rendering. That's at the front and the rear of the property. Absolutely stunning throughout. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome into this fantastic property on Alexandra Road in Preston. I first visited this property approximately 3 months ago. Every wall was back to the brick. Everything's been done in here, so complete rewire throughout. As we can see, we've got sockets here for obviously electrical points, but also TV points. The property has been thoroughly renovated throughout. My client has got insulated render on the front and the back. It's a very, very warm property. But let me show you through this property and you can see just how nice it is. Just remember, everything is brand new. So this is the lounge. Now, there's no carpets in here at the moment. Potentially a deal to be done with the owner of the property, subject to obviously the offers which do come in, for him to place carpets in here of your choosing. But this is a really good sized lounge with, well, not a bay window, but a window which looks out here onto the front. Plenty of light coming in there. From here, we'll walk through to the kitchen dining room. Absolutely loads of room in here. This property was extended, as you can probably tell by the walls here. So this, where we stood at the moment, would have been the original kitchen. And then obviously we'll take a look at that one there in a minute. My client does tell me that with a little bit of work, if somebody wanted to put a cloakroom WC in here, they could easily do it. And it won't cost much to do. So here we are. This is the kitchen. Everything brand spanking new, as we can see. We'll just look at the oven there. Still got all the instructions and so forth in. 4-ring gas hob, extractor fan. Got an integrated dishwasher here. Integrated fridge freezer here. And of course, space for the washing machine there. Right, let's go and have a look and see what we have on the first floor. So here we are on the first floor landing. As you've got the LED downlights there, of course, fire alarm there, radiator. And as you can see, stairs to the ground floor, but we also have stairs which lead up to a second floor. So let's have a look in what I would term the master bedroom. I assure you this bath will not be staying, but it's a double-sized room, 2 double glazed windows to the front. As you can see, all the electrical sockets have been done, and again, wired in for TV, etc. there. Really good size master bedroom. It's amazing what you can do with what would have traditionally have been a 2 up, 2 down property. This is the brand spanking new bathroom. So we've got a 3-piece suite, obviously with your UPVC waterproof cladding there. Vanity unit with inset sink, WC, panelled bath, and of course the shower over the bath there. If we step back into the landing, or onto the landing, we can walk down to the second bedroom. Good sized room. This one's got the double glazed window overlooking the rear of the property. And then we need to go and have a look and see what's on the second floor. So here we are on the second floor landing. We've got a couple of bedrooms here for you. This one's a fantastic room. We've got the double glazed skylights over there to the front. Again, all wired in for TV, etc. Great kids room this. And also we have a 4th bedroom. Again, double glazed window over there to the rear. Again, plumbed in there, if you will, for electrics. And finally, we have a WC. The original idea was potentially to put a shower in here, but the owner felt that it might just have cramped things up a little bit. Still could potentially be done, dependent on how people want to work things. But obviously, that was where the access was for the water, etc. But again, very handy, second floor, WC and sink there. Right, so for any further information on this fantastic property, please give ourselves a call at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton. Telephone number is 01204 381 281.